Hello, YouTube world! My name is Penny, and I would like to welcome you to my course of how to sell on eBay as a side hustle. So I just want to start by telling you a little bit about myself. Like I said, my name is Penny, like a coin. That's how I always introduce myself. And I've been selling on eBay for about 8 months. Myself and my boyfriend Connor, we both started in around October. And at the time, we were actually moving across the country, which is pretty fun. We're moving from Arizona, kinda, to Florida. So now we live in Orlando, Florida, woohoo. When we got here, we both really wanted to be able to work for ourselves. We've both been doing hospitality jobs at seasonal resorts and things like that pretty much for the last 2 years. We actually met working on a cruise ship, and we had some amazing experiences. We're so thankful that we were able to do all that, but when we came here, we really wanted to be able to create our own thing. So we kind of stumbled upon reselling on YouTube with accounts like Rally Roots and Street Savvy and Empty Hanger, and I realized, oh my gosh, I go to thrift stores all the time anyways, why not make money doing something that I enjoy? So we moved here. We were actually selling things out of our car as we were traveling across the country, which was always fun. Like I said, we've been doing it for about 8 months, and I generally make anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000 a month. When I first started, I was trying to make it a full-time thing. It wasn't making as much at first as I was wanting, mostly because I didn't have enough listings up. So I actually got a full-time job, and I was doing this on the side. And at a certain point, I realized I'm making way more money per hour reselling on eBay than I am at my own full-time job. So I actually quit my job. I've been doing this, and I've actually been pairing it with a lot of other freelance work like blogging. I work for a wedding planner as her assistant, and I absolutely love all the different things that I do. And I'm so glad that this has enabled me to have that freedom to actually do the jobs that I really want to do. So every time I tell people what I do, they're kind of like, that is so cool, which is surprising. I thought that people would think it was weird. But it's actually an incredible way to be able to work from home, make a lot of extra money. Even if you do want to stay with your full-time job, this is a great way to add a little bit extra income, maybe to pay off some debt, pay off some loans, or just have a little extra money to go on vacation. With reselling, you literally work whenever you want, wherever you want. You can sit at home in your pajamas listing things on eBay. All you have to do is go out maybe once or twice a week and go find more things to sell. So it is a fantastic way to make money in addition to whatever jobs you have, or it can just be your one source of income. But I am going to base this a little bit more on my experience, which has been a sort of a part-time job. It covers about half of my expenses at the very least. I really wanted to share all this information that I've learned in the last 8 months so that more people can go out there and have some extra income and be able to do more of the things that they want. And I know this is just some little YouTube how-to series, but if there's anything that I can do to help people with the knowledge that I've gained to be able to live a better life and afford more and be able to maybe go out to a nice dinner once a week, then that would be great.